Apply 4 to 5 drops of oil or serum on clean skin. When using gua sha, apply firm, even pressure using long strokes. Position gua sha using various edges while holding skin taut. Minimum of 5 passes on each side. Neck. Use a downward stroke. This will activate the lymphatic system and begin to release toxins. The skin may become quite red, a sign that it is boosting blood flow, which provides nutrients and oxygen to the area. Jawline. Use an upward-outward stroke across the jawline. Work this area to firm the muscles around the jaw. This helps with a drooping jawline. Also helps with hormonal acne to push cystic fluid out toward the lymph nodes. Cheekbone. Use an outward stroke. This will help decrease sinus pressure and drain sinus fluid, excess sebum, and trapped impurities that cause blockages. Brow bone. Use an outward stroke. This boosts circulation and can help with stimulating hair growth. This method helps with migraines and can boost serotonin levels by activating pressure points. Forehead. Use an outward stroke. This stimulates the production of collagen and can help fill in forehead wrinkles. Eyes. Place the flat edge under the eyes to calm and cool the skin and increase product penetration. This will help depuff the under eye area. Use the flat edge anywhere on the face to calm and cool irritated skin. Repeat this technique 2 times a day, morning and evening, for best results.